Hello guys, welcome to Texture Tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Taylor Swift in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, let's head over in here, then let's add water in here. And on this water, let's head over and add in here an earth. Now on this earth, we have here a plant. So let's add fire below that. And on this fire that we have right here, let's head over and add in here a wind. Now on this wind right here, we have here smoke. So merge the smoke and the plant together and we will have incense. Now on this incense, let's add another smoke. We have here a prayer. So on this prayer, let's add in here another incense. Now we have angel. Now on this angel, let's add in here a smoke. Now we have devil. Now on this devil right here, let's add in here an angel. And now we have human. So for this human, add another human right here. Now we have family. So add another human to that. Now we have a baby. So add another human to the baby. Now we have a child. So for this child, let's add another baby. Now we have a teenager. On this teenager, let's head over and add in here another teenager. Now we have love. For this love, let's add another love. Now we have heart. Now let's add another love to that heart. Now we have Valentine. Now from that, let's add another teenager. Now we have heartbreak. So let's put in here water. And on this water, let's put in here another water. Now we have lake. So for this lake, let's add in here another water. And now we have an ocean. Let's add earth to that ocean. We have island. And then in here, let's add another earth to that island. Now we have continent. So let's add lake in here to the continent. Now we have US America. So for this one, let's add fire above that. And then let's add another fire to that fire. Now we have volcano. And then from in there, let's add another fire to the volcano. Now we have lava. So let's add water to that lava. Now we have stone. So for this stone, let's head over and add in here a lake. And then in here, let's add in here an earth for that. Now we have swamp. Now in here, add another earth on that swamp, and now we have mud. So for this one, let's head over and add another element, which is fire to that mud. Now we have brick. Now on this brick right here, let's add another brick. And now in here, we have a wall. Now add another brick again. Now we have a house. So on this house right here, let's add that to the stone. We have castle. And on that castle, let's add in here a human. Now we have a queen. Put that in America. We have American queen. So put that below and let's add another American queen to that. We have American king. Now let's add another American queen to that. We have American prince. Let's add love to that. We have American princess. Now put heartbreak and American princess together. Now we have Taylor Swift. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.